order of operations. You've been doing order of operations forever. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, okay, PEMDAS, but there's a little more to it as you get into higher math. For instance, parentheses doesn't just mean parentheses anymore, it also means grouping symbols, which include brackets and fraction bars. Those are grouping symbols. Exponents, pretty much the same. Multiply and divide, you do that all in the same step, left to right. You don't multiply first and then divide, you do it in order, left to right. Add and subtract, same thing, in order, left to right. Okay, here's a problem. There's no grouping symbols, no parentheses. First thing to do is the 3 squared. Write everything else down. Next thing is multiply and divide from left to right. So 27 divided by 9 is 3. 3 times 2, whoops, that is not a 6. Okay, so then 3 times 2, that's 6. Answer is 3. It helps if you work down and show all of your work. When you try to skip steps, you get messed up. Brackets are just fancy parentheses, and when you have 2 sets of either brackets or parentheses, you work from the inside out. So, first thing to do here is 8 plus 13. 8 plus 13 is 21. Okay, next thing to do is do the brackets. 30 minus 21 is 9. So you end up with 2 times 9 is 18. Okay, here's an example of one where you have to evaluate and use the order of operations. So first, you put 3 in for all the x's. So you have 10 times 3 over 2 times 3 plus 2. Remember, a fraction bar is a grouping symbol, so you can do everything on top of the fraction and everything on the bottom of the fraction. So let's start with the top. 10 times 3 is 30. 3 plus 2 is 5. Times 2 is going to be 10. So the answer to the whole thing is 3. Remember, order of operations is not some one-time lesson, it's a rule for all of math for all time. Okay, time for some practice. Turn off the video and then we'll work them. Okay, number A. First thing to do, exponent. 2 to the third is 8. So that's 32 divided by 8 plus 6. Okay, next divide. 32 divided by 8 is 4. 4 plus 6, 10. Okay, number B. Do the inside parentheses first. 9 plus 3 is 12. So now you have 2 bracket 12 divided by 4. Now do 12 divided by 4, that's 3, so you have 2 times 3, so 6. Here's the video homework for tonight. I'll see you tomorrow.